First point po. Safety reminders lang po sa mga players natin. Taking tayo. Tapos yung mga accessories. Singkaw, pintas, singsing. Corona. Lahat na kahit anong accessories po. Tanggal lang po. Tapos na kayo. Ayan. Taking po tayo. Taking. Kaya pag taking. Sige. Order po lang. Ano na lang. Crop top. Tapos puso. Crop top. Okay po, first one. Last game. Pinipgans. Sidra. Let's go. Baliktad sir, baliktad. Ayan. Ayan. Ready. Ipo. Kanino. Pangpula. White. Tiragan. Ten seconds to shoot. Floater. Wala. Rebound. White. Bautista. Swings it. Entry pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Tolitz. Hirap din mo yung nakala. Infante. Breaks away. Passes middle. Takes the shot. Uses the glass. 3-pointer. Let's go. Shooter daw yun. Shooter daw yun. Animas with the painter. No. Rebound. Namin naka-shooter. Bautista. Passes. Tuto. Pistol. Animas. Balik kay Pante. Takes the pass. Swings it. Entry. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Rebound White. Pasa. Bautista. And there is the foul. What is correct foul number 13? That is it's a hat. It's going to be 2 free throws. Number 13, that's going to be your first personal, first team foul. First free throw is good. Second attempt, makes them both. Entry. 10 seconds to shoot. Baseline jumper, wala. Wala pa talon. Gives it over. Tries the 3. That's two for the lead. And there is a foul. It's going to be a foul on number 10. That is a good foul. Number 10. That's going to be your first personal, second team foul. Bautista penetrates, keeps it, and there is a foul. Foul number 30. 33, that is the push. 2 free throws. Number 33, that's your first personal, third team foul. First free throws good. Makes the move. Gets the eye. Magkakapagpin. Same ball. And there is a foul. Foul number 17, that is a hit to the hands, going to be 2 free throws. Number 17, that's your first personal, first team foul. First shot is short. Parehong short, bola. Nawala, balik si Sidra. Jumper, wala. Floater, wala pa rin. Too much sigawan. Rebound po, kami po gamitin natin, hindi bibig. What's the foul red? That's a holding foul number 33. That is a holding foul. Number 33, that's your second personal, warning for penalty. Black ball. Ready na po ang next five. Next five, get ready. And there is a foul. Technical foul. Number 27, that is a technical foul. Alam po, technical free throws po muna tayo. Number 27, that is a disconcerting foul. Substitution. It's going to be a foul number 40. That's a hit to that. It's going to be 2 free throws. First one is good. Three-pointer, wala. Rebound, ball. Swings it, putting control of the pass, out of bounds, black ball. Reverse, too strong, Macario, follow up is good. Layup is good. Floater, malakas. 23 with the rebound. There is a foul on number 8. That is a real chip foul. It's going to be 2 free throws. Number 8, that's your first personal penalty. Foul on number 8, that's a technical foul. Free throw po muna for the technical. Two free throws po tayo para sa one. First one. Good. Technical foul on number 12. Thank you. Okay po, last free throw para sa white. Kakaubusan na tayo dito. Kanina pa ako nagkaka. Iring, sikaw, ano ba bang suot mo? Uy, last free throw po, last free throw. Floater. Wala. Basket, 2 points. Reverse up. 2 points. (15-10), 5-point lead para sa mga kapote. Eight seconds to shoot. That is a 3-second violation. Two minutes remaining. Macario. Good pass. Nakatapit lang. Kumandante. Luis Tabani. Meron pa tayo. Foul number 40, that is a need to have 2 free throws. Number 40, that's your second person. First free throw is good. It's good both. Three-pointer, no. White point. Oh, pasa pala yun. 2 points. One minute. Three-pointer, short. Out of bounds. Black ball. 5-point game. Bro. Three-pointer. Malakas. Komandante. That is a traveling violation. 30 seconds remaining. 4 seconds difference. Even the shot clock or the game clock. They are 2 points. 15 seconds. Foul number 6. That is a blocking foul. 2 free throws.
Tama yung score?
Kasi tag-3.
Ah, okay.
Foul number 14. That's your first personal, first team foul. Swing save. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Left hand. basket count. Foul on number 12, that is a push. Bonus free throw. Number 12, that's going to be your second personal, first team foul. Makes the three-point kick. Big set up. And there is the foul. Foul on number 13, that is into the hands, could be 2 free throws. Number 13, that's your second personal, 17 foul. First free throw is good. Ball will say white ball. White ball, 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. And there is a foul. Foul on number 12. Number 12, that's going to be your third personal, second team foul. Control the pass, out of bounds, black ball. Easy play, 2 points. Steps back. There is a foul. It's going to be a foul number 88. That is a push. Number 88. That's your first personal, third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 3-pointer. Outlet. Malakas. Out of bounds. White ball. Three-pointer. Wala. Pagyan ng itim. Basa. Good play. Good pass. Good play. That is a kickball also. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Ball's good. Tinira ko, sir. Tinira ko. Huwag ko kayo magulang. 2 points. Ready na po next 5. Three-pointer. Wala. Next 5 po, next 5. Number 27, iwan ka, number 27. Apat pasok. 27, iwan. Okay po. Sige, bola po na. Black ball po. Ready? Three-pointer. Wala. Foul. That's going to be foul. Oh, number 6. That is a push. Number 6. That's going to be your first personal warning for penalty. Three-pointer. Wala. 3-on-1. Tutok is good. Floater is good. Three-pointer, short, rebound, right. Tries another 3, wala pa rin. That is a traveling violation. Jumper, pasok pa rin yun for 2.
One stop po.
10 seconds to shoot. Two points. Okay po, bola po, white ball. Danilo kay Macario for 2. 2 minutes remaining. Jumper. Kanila pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Macario, tumukulog na. Kapag tulog yan, di bali na walang tulog sa walang gising. Dante. Cordova. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Sigaw ni Kapol. Andun na naman sila. Ayaw talaga nagibigay. Wala pa rin. Pwede ba dito lang? Dito dyan, intro mic na. Pasa pa kayo, reverse. Malayo. Los Santos, susunod sa 3. Wala. Nandun siya Mutilla, pumikay pa. Isa pa daw. Wala pa rin. Mutilla ulit. Parang truko lang. Wala pa rin. 17 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 3. Wala pa rin. Your first one.
Kaya pa yan. Bakit kasi sila nagbibigas?
Galing naman. Oh, nakunan. Nakunan.
Gravity.
Kaya pala nagpa-video eh. Nag-request siya ng video.
Okay po, start na tayo sa second half. Bola po ng white. White ball. White ball. White ball po, white ball. Rising 3. Wala. Floater is good. Skip pass. Salvador. Rising 3. Wala. Benitez passes. Bautista. Basket down. Foul number 88. That is a hit to the hand. It's going to be bonus free throw. Number 88, that's going to be your Second personal, first team foul. Ball stays, one ball. Floater is good. Three-pointer. Wala. Rebound White. Gives it over for 13. That is good. 10 seconds to shoot. Ball out White. That's the basket. 2 points. Empty pass. Uses the power, 2 points. Okay po. Back to the podium. Pressure defense na galing sa mga nakaputi. There is a foul. Foul on number 20. That is a holding. Ball stays. Number 20. That's your first personal, first team foul. Ball stays. Black ball. 15. Wala pa rin. Kapitan. Susubok ulit. Wala pa rin. Susubok ulit. Tries a 3. Wala. Ball is good. Picks it up. Fakes. Pass. 10 seconds to shoot. And that is a 3-second violation. One ball. 6 minutes remaining. Long 3. Malayo. Black ball. And there is a foul. that is a push. 2 free throws. Number 20, that's your second personal, second team foul. First free throw is good. Point ball. Ten seconds to shoot. Gets the layup. Two-pointer. Open 3, huminga pa. Rebound. 3-on-2. Takes the shot. Wala pa rin. Next 5, get ready. Next 5. Balik po. Number 25, Iwan. Miguel, Bautista. Iwan ka, Bautista. Iwan ka. Pasok yung apat, hindi pa naglalaro. Cordoba, pasok. Kaya naman, parang mga hindi Christian, nagkataya ang mataya. It's going to be a foul on number 6, that is the holding. Number 6, that's your second personal, second team foul. Ten seconds to shoot. Paglaki tayo sa 41. Umikot, 2 points. Makes it 2. Wala. Makes it 3. Jump ball stays black ball. Black ball.
Baseline. Black ball.
Two-pointer, wala. There is a foul. Foul on number 6, that is a push. Number 6, that's going to be your third personal, second team foul.
Okay na ni Ate. Okay na ni Ate.
Jump ball. Rebound. All the way, wala. Scramble sa rebound. Intercepted. Floater. That's good. possession. Black ball. Two minutes. Masyadong mataas. White black ball. Ball stays. Garcia. Ball will stay. White ball. Tries a three. Wala. Wala pa rin. Hindi niya nag-goal. Under a minute remaining. Binatapan. Medyo walang teknis yun.
Oy!
Jumper. Wala pa rin. 17 seconds remaining. Wala pa rin. 12 seconds. Two.
Ba yan? Hey, back to the ball game. Last quarter na po, ma'am sir. White ball po, white ball. Mag-jump tayo, mag-jump. Depends sa po ang team. Okay, ready? Walter. Fourth back is good. Medyo pinadali, pero sakto lang. For two. Ako yung nagulat, pero siya hindi. Intercepted. Ito na. Ito na. Meron tayong foul. Foul on number 5. That is a into the head. It's going to be 2 free throws. Number 5. That's going to be your first personal, first team foul. First one. 10 seconds to shoot. Hey, timeout is over. Back to Warren. White ball. Inbound what white? Inbound. Inbound white. Jumper, wala. Tinira nga. Sino technical? Number 5. Number 5, that's your second personal foul sa team. Bola po ng team. Black ball.
Sabi ko iwan niya sa parking.
Substitution, sir. Jumper. Out of bounds. White ball. Gets denied. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Push shot is good. Takes a 3. Wala. Substitution. Same ball po tayo, white ball. Last touch black. Three-pointer, short, kanila pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Basket.
Time out.
Back to the ball game number tayo, white ball. Inbound ball, white, inbound, white. Seconds to shoot. Ayun, wala. Rebound. White ball. Pumitaw sa tres. Walay. Wala pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. 3-pointer. Wala. Macario. 2 points. Cordoba. 2 points. Ten seconds to shoot. 5. Backcourt violation. Substitution. Substitution. Three-pointer. Basket is good for 3. Six-point game. 4 minutes remaining. Reverse malalim. Layup is good. Three-pointer, wala, rebound. Last edge, right. Substitution. Sakpo. 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. 3-second violation. There is a foul. Foul on number 25. That is a foul. 25, that's That's your first personal, third team foul. Libre, libre. 2 points. Medyo nagalakan si Sir. Rebound. Nando na Infante. What a play, what a pass. 2 points. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. Three-pointer. Let's go. Substitution. Okay, ready.
Ito.
10 seconds to shoot. 5. Three-pointer. Let's go. Okay, back to the ball game. 1 minute remaining. Black ball. White ball, white ball. There is a foul. Foul number 27. 27, that's going to be your second personal. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. And there is a foul. Number 20, that's going to be your third personal penalty situation. Penalty na po. Penalty. First free throw. 6-point game. 6-point game. Ace. Seconds remaining. There is a foul for 25. Number 25 is our second personal. Free throws for number 2. Kaya bola ng white. Tapos wala pa nga sila. Isa pa lang ang foul nila. Foul on number 6. That's your fourth personal. First team foul. 25 seconds remaining. There is a foul. Foul on number 23. That is a holding. Free throws full time. First free throw, wala.